Hi, I'm Greg.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the co-founders of SKOOT. At SKOOT, using our green navigation, we'll be planting a tree for free for every journey, absorbing all carbon emissions, making sure the planet is cleaner and greener.
The carbon time bomb is ticking. In the UK alone, we drive around 200 billion miles. That equates to nearly 50 million tonnes of carbon that we're not offsetting and that we're not reducing. And during the pandemic, we've all been looking for an alternative to public transport. At SKOOT, we're carbon negative, earth positive, helping neutralise the impact of that carbon time bomb.
With the SKOOT app, you can auto-offset your carbon emissions, invite your friends, and see how you rank on the leaderboards in the race to net zero. We've just launched our 1 million tree challenge with Eden Reforestation Projects, our sustainability partner, and we're excited to get to the 1 million trees as soon as possible. We help reduce congestion with our patent-pending lift-sharing tech, creating sustainable journeys, whether that's driving alone, sharing the commute, school run, or even giving fans a lift to the game.
We're fully geared up to help the 23 million households who do over 500 journeys a year with our 1 million tree challenge, which will look to offset over 6,000 tonnes of carbon. We've surrounded ourselves with a proven team of advisors from Waze, from Google, from Facebook and Alison Lee, and built a phenomenal team to support our mission.
And now we are 25 strong across 10 locations and have experience in startups, marketing, PR and technology, all to deliver SKOOT's carbon negative movement.
We're already live on iOS and Android, and we've had over 38,000 green miles driven, and we have over 18,000 users on the platform, which equates to over 36,000 trees and 220 tonnes of carbon offset.
Which we think is a pretty amazing achievement, given we've been in a pandemic for over a year now.
We've multiple revenue streams from B2B and B2C, helping them just drive and grow.
In addition to the 1 million tree challenge, we're fundraising to extend the product, increase the number of users and activation, and looking to roll out across Australia, Canada, US, and even Europe. So, invest in SKOOT now and be part of this exciting, sustainable tech startup.